Hey friends, if you wish to install Google Chrome on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Now, it's not very difficult. Here's what you have to do. Since Chrome is not available on the Microsoft Store, it's a competitor brand. So all you need to do is search for it on any browser. Okay, and it will, if you do it on Edge, it will start giving you every reason not to install Chrome, etc., etc. But since we have to do it, we'll go to Chrome for desktop and then click on download Chrome and then click on open. Okay, it will need a while to install it. So this is how you can install Chrome. It needs a while to install and then it will be a part of your system. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.